Welcome on my channel. In this video I'm going to review a DEWALT Cordless FLEXVOLT 60 volt max reciprocating saw. It's also known as a Saza. Price around the market in Home Depot Lowe's is $299 plus tax. Inside the box you will receive saw, 60 volt flex volt battery, fast 20 volt 60 volt max charger. Also you will get a tool bag, and you will get one of the blade like that, but this blade is not included. I bought it separately. So this is the latest saw from the DEWALT in market. It is brushless. It has a 60 volt max flex volt 6.0 amp hour battery included. I bought this kit on eBay. This kit is about like $18. It comes with a couple blades. These all blades have it for a different purpose and different cut. Like if you want to cut only wood with metal, only metal. There's a plastic cutting, and there's like a couple more. I have some of according to the teeth size. This saw's weight with the battery is about like 10 pound, and the battery by itself is like 2.5 pound. So this works with 60 volt battery. So it also have a quick disconnect blade. In this video I'm not going to use this tool. Actually I used it. I used with the 2x4 stud, and it made with one full battery about like 170 cut, but it was like 2x4. I didn't cut metal, but I cut wood and metal. It's pretty impressive. I really like this tool, so that's why I decided to make a video. So anybody looking for like a heavy duty work, but this one is a little heavy. So we're gonna try to put blade. It's quick. Quick disconnect. It has a lock on it. If you don't want to use it, like to prevent any injury, just keep it on lock mode. Unlock. The good thing about this battery, there's another DEWALT tool. This one is like 20 volt max. We can use this battery with this tool too. This battery can be used with any other tool, as in like it's 20 volt tool. So let's try now. We're gonna try 20 volt battery with Saja. See how it works. I believe this one not gonna work with the 20 volt battery because this doesn't fit. So this one just need a 60 volt battery. Yeah. But 60 volt battery can be used with any tools. And the second thing, this one is 60 volt, 6.0 amp. It's pretty high amp. It's dangerous. Anytime you wanna store this battery, you gotta put a cover on it. So when you wanna use it, you can just press this button, unlock it, and you can use the unlock. And this one specific model is DCS 388. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave in a comment, or you wanna know other thing about this tool or any DEWALT tool I have here, so I will make another video. Please leave a message and comment. Thank you for watching.